为什么这么伤心？
你不懂，我有几个买家又要投资又要自住，怎样讲？
哇，又要投资又要自住哇，好难找啊，
真的很难找。
Exclusive condo with facilities that spans over a land area of 242,000 square feet, includes main facilities such as the lagoon pool, 50 meters lap pool, bonfire barbecue, tennis court, clubhouse with gym, function rooms, steam rooms, and many more to explore. This project has 680 units and is jointly developed by NTUC Choice Homes and CEL Development. CEL Development Private Limited is a wholly owned subsidiary of Chip N Sing Corporation Limited, a public listed company in Singapore since 1999. This is a dual key unit and there are only 34 dual key units here in Prive. This unit is sized at 1,184 square feet, comes with a studio unit and a 2-bedroom unit. The studio consists of a kitchenette area, a bathroom, a bedroom space, while the 2-bedroom unit consists of a living and dining room, a balcony, common bedroom, bathroom, a master bedroom, and the bathroom, a fully fitted enclosed kitchen with windows.
Welcome to this exceptional rare unit over here. This is a dual key apartment that gives you 2 distinct living spaces. One on the left is a studio unit and one on the right is a 2-bed and 2-bathroom unit. So this is best for homeowners and also investors because you're buying a dual key apartment under one stamp duty price, saving taxes every day.
欢迎来到这个单独的小房间。这个小房间我们可以把它当做一个单独的单位，为什么呢？因为它配备非常的齐全。左边有我们的厨房空间，配有微波炉、冰箱。我们的门后部分也配备了洗衣机、烘干机。这个区域您也可以考虑放一个小沙发在这边，坐在沙发上，享受的看我们的电视机。请往里进，不用担心，如果您需要在家办公，这边也帮您配备了单独的学习桌，可以坐在这边办公看电脑。这边也可以把它当做是一个类似酒店式公寓的一个小单位，因为我们也有单独的厕所。再往里进，这个区域我们也可以放下一个足够大的双人床，也配有2个床头柜，包括这边也有一个足够大的衣橱，您可以放您足够多的衣服。躺在床上这边，您就可以享受美丽的泳池景观。我们这边是一个高楼，所以通风和采光都非常的棒哦。
Welcome to the heart of the home. This is the living and dining area. This perfectly spacious living area can fit such a large 3-seater plus 1 sofa in this living space. You can also fit a coffee table, a bulky TV console, a television, up to your own desire, and you still don't feel compressed. It's still really spacious. Come on over here with today's extended balcony, which is give you a premium condominium feeling. And this balcony features a beautiful pool view and we are on a high floor. The best part is the breeze and the wind comes in the right ventilation, giving you a breezy and windy day all day.
This unit comes with a rare enclosable kitchen with windows and gas stoves. It's not easy to find this kind of layout in the newer condos nowadays. The balcony is not just an extension of the living space, but a perfect spot to enjoy your morning coffee, evening breezes, or simply the calming sight of the pool surrounded by lush greenery. Moving to the bedroom, this room combines functionality and comfort. Full-height windows flood the room with natural light, making it bright, breezy, and beautifully ventilated. This luxurious space is designed to be both airy and comfortable, offering a serene retreat within the home. Not forgetting, you get to enjoy natural light, breathtaking pool views, greenery at every bedroom in this wonderful home. There is a side gate in this development. Exit through this side gate, pass through the basketball court and the park. You will see the MRT and bus interchange station. However, it's too far away, so let me zoom it in. Travel another minute and you'll reach to Waterway Point, one of the largest malls in the northeast. You can find Uniqlo, Love Bonito, Din Tai Fung, Putian, Dono Donki, Daiso, Decathlon, just to name a few. In addition, Sheng Siong Supermarket is only 3 minutes walk away at Block 301, Punggol Central. You can also find coffee shops there for your daily meals. As for families with children, you'll find a total of 10 primary schools within 1 km, where Mito School, top 9, is just 2 bus stops away. Within 2 km, there will be a total of 17 primary schools, where Nanqiao Primary is 5 bus stops away, making Punggol one of the best locations for family planning.
One of the standout features of this master bedroom is the minimal built-in fixtures in this room. Especially, there is 2 full-height windows, one on the left and one on the right, giving you ample light and ventilation all day in your home. Such a lovely place to relax and unwind, especially we are facing a magnificent pool view. It's breezy too.
The ensuite bathroom is of a great layout, excellent space for the shower and bathroom area respectively. But what I love is the 2 casement window panels, allowing hot air and moisture to exit the bathroom. Did you know Prive has much more potential? The first phase of Punggol Digital District is estimated to be ready by end 2024, which will be Singapore's first smart business district in the northeast. A brand new technology and innovation centre, which UOB will invest more than 500 million in the new centre that spans 300,000 square feet. It will also collaborate with JTC, and by 2026, the Punggol Digital District is embarking on the next phase with 3 new business park towers. In addition, the upcoming Punggol Coast MRT station will be developed as an extension of the new Singapore Institute of Technology campus, and also the Jurong Town Cooperation sites. Next, the 7.3km Cross Island Line Punggol extension will provide a direct link to the Pasir Ris and Tampines North. The construction works for Cross Island Line, the Punggol extension, is expected to commence by end 2022 and targeted to be completed by 2032.
Alright, we come to the end of the home tour, and I hope you love this limited edition dual key unit. If you like to view this unit, feel free to contact us and we will show this beautiful unit to you. Do remember to click like, share and subscribe, and follow us on all social media platforms, link in the description box below. And in Property 65, I'm Eunice.
I'm Cindy.
And we uplift your home value, we sell higher.
我们厉害！
我们厉害！